Hello and welcome to World of Warcraft Hack Games. I'm gonna show you something right now that's gonna change your life forever in the game World of Warcraft. Are you tired of grinding all the time? Yes, but now I'm first gonna show you some proofs. This is just one of my accounts. Check out here how much gold I have. You have sure heard some out about private server and this is a scam, but this is no scam. This is no private server, and I can prove right it's not a private server. See over right here? It's an European server. Take a look here. One proofs. This is no private server. This is real. So, do you want to get so much gold and don't wasting time on grinding anymore? You just need to go down on the web page, fill in your name, fill in your email, press the submit button, and then you got an email every day about new scams and new hacks just for free. So check it out right now, and it's gonna change your life. Bye.